Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy October 1st. This is going to be my first Halloween tutorial for this year, and this is the pic I found on Pinterest about 2 years ago that inspired me. So if you want to see this look, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to start off with my eyes. I already have my eyebrows on and my eyeshadow primer on. I'm going to be using these two eyeshadow palettes, and this is really all you need for the entire look, which is super cool. So I'm going to be going in first with a couple of different shades. This one here is from the Jaclyn Hill number 2 palette. And then I'm also taking a second color from the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette and intensifying it. And then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill 1 palette and take the reddish brown shade and intensify that. And then I'm going to take the brown from the Jaclyn Hill 1 palette and intensify that even more. And then I'm going to take Temptress from the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette, which is the really pigmented black, and intensify my eyes for that smoky effect. Honestly, this is just a simple kind of eye shadow look. I'm taking the white matte shade from the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette because the one in the Jaclyn Hill 2 palette is matte. And then I'm taking the Rare Beauty eyeliner and just doing my regular schmegular eyeliner. This eye, if you don't pair it with like everything else, you can just pair it with like a regular fall look and it'll be like a fall tutorial. So I'm going in with the Ordinary moisturizer and primer to prep my skin for foundation today. I'm just going to be using my regular foundation. This one is by Rare Beauty. I have it in the shade 230N. I do have a review on this if you're wondering. And then I'm going to blend that all out with my Dose of Colors beauty sponge. I do have the Rare Beauty sponge, but I don't really like it that much. But this one is good. I'm going to be going in with the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Concealer. First impression, I wasn't like really loving it for some reason. I'm not sure if that was because of the foundation that I had on, but I'm definitely going to try this concealer out again. I got it because, of course, hello, Nicole Guerrero. And then right after this, I'm going to go ahead and cream contour only my forehead, just to make it easier for when I have to darken up my forehead anyways. And I'm blending it out with a Real Techniques Expert face brush. And then I'm just going to set my foundation under eye concealer with the Fenty Beauty loose powder in the shade Butter. And then I'm going in and intensifying my lower lash line. I'm using the same shades that I used on my upper lid, and then I'm adding black to intensify it. And then I'm going to go in with a Dior Noir eyeliner. It's a black eyeliner, and intensify my waterlines. Once I've dusted off my loose powder, I'm going to be going in with, this is supposed to kind of mimic a skull. Now, how I did it, I haven't done a skull, I feel, in like a long time. And it usually is like a little bit of an issue for me. So this was just kind of like trial and error. It didn't come out like exactly like the picture. In the picture, she actually did a great job of like pulling the two lines a little bit closer together to kind of mimic a skull. I did it a little bit too far apart, and then I tried to connect it on the bottom and it didn't look good, so you see me covering it up here with some foundation. I used the same Rare Beauty foundation and it covered it up like perfectly, so I love that. It's a really good foundation to layer. And then I ended up adding black. I didn't want to add any black, but I had to add black because there was like not enough definition, and it was because since I have bigger cheeks, the lines, I had to put them closer to kind of mimic that shape. So it looks just like kind of like two lines a little bit, but if you look at the picture and you do it more angular, like I was trying to kind of curve it to my face, but no, you really have to just like do an L, like one line straight across your cheek and then one line going down. and it'll really help to mimic. I did love how my eyes came out though, so I'm just adding like a line here and then just buffing it out to blend into the eyeshadow. I'm going in with a, it's kind of similar to a MAC 212 brush, and then I'm just buffing it out with a Morphe brush. I forgot the name of this one. I think it's like an E4, I don't know. And then I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW20, which is a shade that I always use, and I'm just kind of highlighting my areas to further intensify like that skull look. And then I'm adding the skull nose. In the picture she did it a little bit bigger, but I thought it would look better on me if I did it a little bit smaller, just because I did do the lines on my eyes a little bit bigger. So I didn't want to look too crazy. Now I'm going to be using Heartbreaker lashes by TianaOne, and then I'm going to move on to the lips. I'm going to leave the name of the lip liner down below, but it is by NARS. It's a very light lip liner. I didn't want anything too dark. I just wanted it to shape my lips so it can be easier for me. And then I'm taking MAC Mixing Medium. You can only buy this product in the Pro Store, but you can use a clear gloss. I just was getting fancy. And then I used Loose Glitter by MAC in the shade Platinum. It is a glitter lip, so I use that to tap on and fill in my whole entire lips. And then right after that, I'm going in with black liquid liner. I use the MAC Point Black liquid liner. This liner is trash. Do not use it. It's not good. Literally, it was peeling off. It was just wild sauce. So no, I wouldn't use this eyeliner. Honestly, I would have used the Rare Beauty eyeliner, but since I have the glitter, I thought that it would not easily draw on. A liquid always applies better on glitters and thicker eyeshadows, so it's better if you use a liquid liner or like a body paint, liquid body paint. The teeth kind of, I'm not really too happy with them, but I thought they looked cute at the end and they served its purpose. So that is it. This is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is a great kind of tutorial and makeup for if you work at a makeup store and you need to dress up, or if you like Halloween and you kind of want to dress up but you don't really like to put costumes and stuff. This is like a perfect look to pair with like an all black outfit or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Stay tuned for more Halloween videos. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos. And I hope my little bambas have a blessed day.